Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and in this video I will show you how to convert a PDF file with transactions to QBO Web Connect format and import into Quickbooks Desktop. First we need Proper Convert app. We download it at ProperSoft.net. Go there and click the download button. Then install the app on your computer and start it. So in our case, we have PDF file that we want to convert. So here's PDF file. It has deposits and it has withdrawals and it's 2016 statement from Chase. So here's our transactions, and what we need to do, we need to set account ID, account type, and set file type as QBO QuickBooks US. Now we need to find our bank label, into bit value for our bank label. We're gonna type Chase, and this value that has CH and CC mark, that means it supports checking accounts and credit card accounts. So we select this value. We cannot select NA values, or we cannot select values that do not support our account types. In our case, checking account and CH are supported. So we select this, and then if you would like more control how this conversion goes, I would suggest to uncheck Open After Save. So you first create QBO file, then you go to QuickBooks, and then you select to import the QBO file. If you want more automation, then you set this checkbox, and then QBO file will be created and QuickBooks will be called automatically to import that QBO file. So create QBO file, and then we'll go to QuickBooks and select File, Utilities, Import, Web Connect Files, and select Created QBO file. And now we need to either use existing QuickBooks account or select new QuickBooks account. Let's, for this example, select new account, and our data were imported, and we need to review transactions now. So review transactions means you have to match vendor records, select expense and income accounts, and add transactions to the register. That's it. So this view is similar to if you download transactions directly from your bank. So QBO file serves the same purpose. Instead of online banking, you would download transactions from QBO file. Thank you for watching.